Well, hi again, everybody. Once again, I'm back, not quite up to full speed, working at about 75% with this arm brace and 2 breaks in my shoulder. Again, I want to thank everybody for the outpouring. I'm a very lucky person. You know, I'm humbled by the response that you've given me, and I appreciate all your thoughts and concerns. Now, what I've been doing while I've been off is sort of tinkering around with a winter forecast. Dave had his last night, depending on how a scientist might actually look at what happens with El Nino and airflow and ocean temperatures and things like that. I, as you know, take a somewhat different tact, and that's what you're about to see now. Science prides itself by forecasting with complicated maps and charts. But Scripture tells us that long before science, there were signs placed in the sky about seasons, and that cycles are part of Earth's natural courses. So with that in mind, I look at these signs to determine my winter forecast. The looseness on a corn husk, the size of an acorn, the size of a squirrel's tail, and astronomical signs. So, here's my winter forecast by the natural signs. I expect the winter to be slightly warmer than average and below average in precipitation. The last week of November could bring the final rumbles of thunder for the season, then windy and colder, and don't be surprised if we have a few flurries on Thanksgiving. In December, our first real chance for snow will come between December the 4th and the 7th. And from the 23rd to the 24th, a chance for snow with some accumulation, and that could lead to a white Christmas. Watch out for the 28th to the 31st of January. A wintry mix could be possible. Snow to the north, freezing rain to the south, and this one could get sloppy. In February, from the 14th to the 16th, a return to winter with possible accumulation, perhaps the heaviest of the season, windy and colder. February 21st to the 28th, gradually becoming unsettled, and a chance for snow or a wintry mix of precipitation on the 27th to the 28th. March looks to have a fairly regular start. But from the 11th to the 17th, watch for warmer conditions and wet. And then, as the temperature drops, an early season thunderstorm is not out of the question. Otherwise, a wintry mix can be expected, and again, rather sloppy.